before you watch the video. Subscribe the channel now. Yes, right now. Bugatti recently used the Geneva Motor Show to introduce the Chiron Sport, and it appears there could be a handful of other models on the horizon. Speaking with Autocar, Bugatti CEO Stefan Winkelmann confirmed the company has a team working on future projects and hinted to keep an eye on what we are doing in Molsheim. There will be more. Winkelmann declined to elaborate, but the company's test driver, Andy Wallace, has previously said the Chiron might be able to hit a top speed in excess of 280 miles per hour, 450 kilometers per hour, with specially developed Michelin tires. This sparked rumors of a Chiron Super Sport successor, but nothing is official as of yet. There's no word on which projects Bugatti is working on, but former CEO Wolfgang Derheimer said the company is planning on a Chiron successor. While the model will still be with us for quite some time, Derheimer stated 2018 will be a pre-development year where we evaluate the different ideas for the model. In other interviews, Derheimer has said the four-door car is not dead and its future will be determined by the end of this year. He was, of course, talking about the Gallivia concept, which was unveiled in 2009. The former executive has also said the company's next hypercar will likely have some form of electrification, and the automaker is studying a possible second model.